Arcimoto's changing the way we move, and that means right-sizing our rides. We've already right-sized the fun of getting around, the needs of delivery and logistics, and now we want to right-size your life on the road. Over 40 million Americans regularly go RVing, and many of them bring a ride along with them. Most tow-behinds look like this, or even this. The Jeep Grand Cherokee weighs 4,747 pounds and gets about 19 miles to the gallon in the city. The Arcimoto Fun Utility Vehicle weighs less than a third of the Jeep and doesn't use a drop of gas. And instead of 19 miles to the gallon, the FUV gets almost 10 times that. That means 102 miles around town on one charge. RV owners now have a lighter weight, gas-free option for transportation once the big rig is in place. With open air or optional doors, the FUV lets you experience the world around you. And isn't that what going to new places should be? With twin electric motors and a patented super stable three-wheel design, the FUV has the power of instant torque and a top speed of 75 miles per hour. Take it out sightseeing, visit the town, have dinner, and then head back to camp quietly, where the FUV can charge with either a 110 or 220 volt outlet. Away from the RV park in the great outdoors, you can charge with your RV's generator and have a little off-road fun. On a trailer, the FUV can be secured in just a few minutes and makes a perfect vehicle for your toy hauler. You'll save money when you don't stop here. And with less weight to haul, your RV's gas bill will probably thank you as well. See the world in a whole new way. The fun, recreational utility vehicle from Arcimoto. Right size your life.